Okay, today we're gonna put this license plate on her. Okay, today we're gonna put this license plate right here to cover the rust, but not exactly sure what I'm doing, but I'm gonna make it happen. So we'll come. Okay, well, I gotta make it so it'll wrap around here so I can cover this behalf of the rust, and gotta have it low enough so it'll come around this edge. But slight dilemma, this is not attached anymore right here because it rusted off. But yeah, don't mind this dent. There used to be a big one. I popped it out, but I can't get this one to come out. I'm not really doing a surgical on this thing, because now I'm actually selling this Bronco to my dad, so that'll be good. I don't know if you guys care about me putting this on, but I'll just slap it on there. Refreshment break. Alright, so I just put a slot. Oh my god, look. Alright, so I just put a friggin' slit right here and started bending it back. Bend this whole bottom here, and this is kind of off the groove. See how it fits. I need to bend it more. I probably should have grabbed a Sharpie because it really needs to be right here. It really needs to be bent. I probably need to cut some of that off, honestly, but oh, you guys can't really see it. Okay. All right, so I need to bend it right here and cut some of that off. But other than that, it decently fits around there. That doesn't look too half bad. Whoa. Alright, so I believe I gotta cut this off right here, as you can see, because it really does not match this body line. Because this goes down more than it. Yeah. This drops. How do I share this? Whatever. This drops from right here. So I'm just gonna chop that off. This bent part right here will hide inside the door here to cover this rust hole that we got going on here. Can you flip the camera? No? Alright, now you can see in there. I don't know why it looks like that, but yeah, it would fit like almost flush on there. So we got this. Pretty flush here, but now I'll go ahead and cut that part off and bend this in a little bit more so the door can shut. All right, now that I got that piece chopped off, we're gonna try to fit it again and see how much I gotta bend around. I should have grabbed a Sharpie. I literally said that earlier, but should have grabbed it. But 1 second. Other than that, yeah, other than that behalf right there, I think she fits almost flush. See, she looks pretty good. Covering that rust right there. Let me just hurry and bend that. If you guys were wondering what I was using to bend this license plate and everything, I got this trusty wood block here that I just set it around and beat it with the old trusty hammer, you know. the pliers. Alright. Now I got that done. Let's try this again. Just like that. And then push this around the corner there. Just like it's not bent up anymore. God damn it, go. Oh, there's gotta be more cut off from this end. Hold up. Alright, I can bend that up a little bit more. But it's sitting decently flush. It'll go in there more when I get the tools to come put this on, but I think it's ready for the tools, and then I'll just finish bending it around afterwards. So, alright, I got one of the screws in. I think it looks pretty good so far. Just this little gap here that I'm gonna fix, and this over here, but really, that fits on pretty well. So, oh God, bro. Alright, I got it all good now. See, look at that. Looks pretty good. I'll do a shut chest. I know I still need to move this and stuff, but just making sure that would even shut. Looks good, looks good. Alright guys, check that out. Doesn't that look pretty freaking clean now? Don't worry, yes, we'll get painted over, but watch this. Oh yeah. Boom. No touching. All on there pretty raking well. Boom. Alright, got the all my tools and shit cleaned up, but I think it looks pretty good, honestly. But don't worry, my neighbor's talking if you can hear him. But yeah, just gotta do it like right there. We're not gonna mess with that, but I do need to get one across that whole bottom there. And after that, yeah, just gotta do that and then paint it all. And these right here are the colors that will be going on it. And that right there is what the results is. Because you see, I was trying to, this lighting is horrible. Trying to match at least those. So, blend with those. I think that'll look pretty good. But, probably not even going to do that till the weekend. So sorry about that, but you guys can hopefully enjoy this video. This will be a whole new Bronco when it's done.